Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talking about cloud computing consulting service, helping you navigate the cloud. Introduction: Cloud computing consulting service can help businesses of all sizes navigate the cloud and get the most out of their cloud investment. Cloud computing consult can help businesses access their needs, develop a cloud strategy, and implement cloud solution. In this video, we'll discuss the different types of cloud computing consulting service that are available, how to choose the right cloud computing consult for your needs and services, the benefits of working with a cloud computing consultant. So, types of cloud computing consulting service. Cloud computing consulting service can be broadly divided into two categories. Cloud assessment service. Cloud assessment service help businesses assess their cloud readiness and identify cloud solutions that are right for their needs. Cloud implementation service. Cloud implementation service help businesses implement cloud solution and migrate their workloads to the cloud. Cloud computing consultant can also provide a variety of other services such as cloud architecture design, cloud solutions that meets the specific needs of a business. Cloud security consultant. Cloud security consultant help businesses secure their cloud environment. Cloud cost optimization. Cloud cost optimization consultant help businesses optimize their cloud cost. Cloud managed services. Cloud managed services providers manage cloud environment for businesses. How to choose the right cloud computing consultant. When choosing a right cloud computing consultant, it is important to consider the following factor: experience. The consultant should have experience working with the cloud consultant solution that you are interested in, and expertise. The consultant should have expertise in the cloud computing best practices. Industry knowledge. The consultant should have knowledge of your industry and the specific knowledge that the business in your industry face. Reference. Ask the consultants for reference from previous clients. Benefits of working with a cloud computing consultant. There are a number of many benefits to working with a cloud computing consultant, including expertise. Cloud computing consultant have the expertise to help businesses to choose the right cloud solution, implement them in a way that meets their specific needs. Efficiency. Cloud computing consultant can help businesses save time and money by helping them to avoid common mistakes. And peace of mind. Cloud computing consultant can help businesses to feel confident that their cloud environment are secure, that their workflows are running efficiently. In conclusion, cloud computing consulting service can be helpful for businesses of all sizes navigate the cloud and get the most out of their cloud investment. Cloud computing consultant can help business assess their needs, develop a cloud strategy, and implement cloud solution. If you are considering using a cloud computing, I encourage you to work with the cloud computing solutions consultant. A cloud computing consultant can help you to choose the right cloud solution and implement them in a way that meets your specific needs. So that's all everyone. I hope you'll understand this topic. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you again.